The TOSTAR 39-inch electric guitar kit delivers surprisingly refined tone for a beginner instrument, thanks to its 3 single-coil pickups and versatile 5-way switching. Its full-size neck with a comfortable C-shaped profile, smooth teak-style fingerboard, and 22 well-finished frets make it easy for new players to develop proper technique without hand strain. The lightweight eco-composite body keeps the guitar comfortable during long practice sessions or standing performances, while still feeling solid and well-balanced. A matte black finish on both body and neck, along with clear fret position markers on the front and side, gives the instrument a modern look that is also practical on dimly lit stages. The included accessories, such as the practice amplifier, stand, case, extra strings, and tremolo arm, provide everything a beginner needs to start playing immediately without extra purchases. Each guitar being professionally set up and carefully packaged before shipping adds confidence that it will arrive playable and ready for gifting on special occasions.